Ever wondered how companies control who sees what inside their systems? That's where granular permissions come in. Granular permission means giving very specific and detailed control over what a user can or cannot do. Instead of just saying admin or viewer, you can define exactly what actions are allowed. Example: one user can only view employee records. Another user can view and edit but not delete. A third user can only see data from their own branch. That's the power of granular control: small, detailed, and precise. So, granular permissions keep systems secure and make sure the right people get the right level of access. Simple, powerful, and essential for modern apps. Tap this button for more quick design and tech insights. Subscribe to PX Mentor.